Alright, so in this video, we're actually going to be setting up your ad account. So head over to Ads Manager, and what you want to do is click Create, and the type of campaign we're going to create is a lead campaign. So click Leads, hit Continue, and now we are officially in your ad creation. I'm going to call this one a huge giveaway. The example I'm going to do is for a gym. You can leave the rest of this on your ad account. So head over to Ads Manager, and what you want to do is click Create, and the type of campaign we're going to create is a lead campaign. So click Leads, hit Continue, and now we are officially in your ad creation. I'm going to call this one a huge giveaway. The example I'm going to do is for a gym. You can leave the rest of this on automated settings. Let's click Continue. And just make sure that you click Website. We're going to be generating leads from our website from the ClickFunnels funnel. All right. So now you need to set up a pixel. Pixel is essentially just a line of code that allows Facebook to talk to ClickFunnels or talk to the website. So I'm just going to call this test pixel and just enter the website there that your client, the subdomain that your client has created for you. All right, so enter that there and click check and next. Now, what we want to do is don't return. Let's actually set this up right now as it's a new client, and we want to meta pixel only. We're going to do this manually. So right there, you can see two options. We're going to click install code manually. Now that we're in the events manager, all that you want to do is copy this simple code, head over to your funnel, go to funnel settings in the top right, and drop this code, paste it in the head tracking code. Perfect. Now go down all the way to the bottom and hit save and update settings. Next, let's go back to our pixel setup. Let's click continue. Leave that off. And what we're going to do is install events using code. We're going to do it manually. Okay, this is very simple. First time, maybe it's going to look confusing. I'll walk you through. You should be able to just skip past all of this normally, but I'll just walk you through what you're looking at. This is a line of code which essentially is going to tell Facebook of a particular event. We want to put this code on our thank you page so that when someone reaches it, we can see all the different kinds of events. It could be a purchase, it could be a lead, it could be add to cart, but we're going to tell Facebook exactly what kind of event is happening when someone reaches a particular page. In our case, when someone reaches our thank you page, it's a lead. So let's copy this code, the standard tracking event code, go to the thank you page, and here we're actually going to edit this page. Give it a second to load so that you have a visual. And in the top left, under settings, you'll see the option for tracking code. Now, let me remove this example that I've got there, and let's actually paste that in. Now, we want to make a small difference. Let's get rid of all of this. There's no value, there's no currency. You can get rid of all of that. Make sure you've still got the end bracket there. And what we're going to do is change purchase to lead. So the event when someone reaches this page is a lead generated. Hit save. And let's go back to our setup. So let's go to the next step here. Let's click continue. We can verify the domain. So I've already got mine connected here, but what you're going to do is request access to a domain, and you're going to input the subdomain that your client has created for you. So input it there and just switch all settings on. Perfect. So now that we've got this set up, let's go to the next step. You can skip this, and you're essentially done. Now, real quick, You can test the event if you just want to be doubly sure. Click test events there. Scroll down and you can input the URL. So what I recommend is actually input the URL of the thank you page. So you can come back here, just click back so we can view funnel steps. This should already be published on your client's domain, but copy that URL, head back over here, paste that, and you can just click open website and it will open up the page and then confirm that Facebook is reading that pixel. It is reading the event. All right, so let's go back to our ads manager. We're done here. You've officially set up your pixel and the conversion event is lead. That's what you want Facebook to optimize for. You're going to be telling Facebook that you want leads. Let's set the budget on $10 a day, $20 a day. Really doesn't matter. Just chat with your client if it's a 7-day trial, 10-day trial, however long, and what budget they've given you. Now, location is important. It's going to automatically just set it to whatever country you're in. Get rid of that. And what we want to do is actually input the exact address. So I'm just going to paste here the address of a McDonald's in New York for the example. So let's paste that there. And there it is at the bottom. It has found it. And importantly, we want to set this on a 5-mile radius, not a 10-mile radius, especially if it's a gym, if it's a dentist. People aren't driving 10 miles to go to their gym, to go to their dentist, right? So you want to keep it very, very local. And you can leave the rest completely open and standardized. So let's go to our next setting here and actually start to create the ad. All right, so make sure it's connected to the correct page. You should be seeing your client's page within this business manager. And we're going to make sure that we have manual upload for our ad creative or our ad image. And a tip here, you can create simple ad creatives in canva.com. Keep them very simple. Ugly ads convert really well. Here's an example. It's a huge giveaway for a gym membership. I just Googled an image of a gym and wrote huge giveaway on it. Let me download this. You can tell the ad's really not that pretty, but it works and it converts. So I've downloaded that. I'm going to head back to Ads Manager here. We can scroll down and we're actually going to upload that image. So let's click Add Media, Add Image, search for the image there, paste that in there, leave those all as original, hit Next, and we are good to go. Now it's time to input the text. So I've just got mine open on a Google Doc here. So we've got our primary text and our headline. Let's copy that over. Here's the copy from the previous examples that I've shown you for this gym giveaway. A little tip here, you can see I've got those little fire emojis in there. If you just go to emojipedia.org, you can search for emojis that you can use in your text. So let's paste that in the primary text. You can see there already on the demo on the right hand side, it's already added my text. And I'm just going to copy that top line there for the headline of the image. All right, and you can see there it's already updated on the left. So let's get rid of these fire emojis. Doesn't look so professional. We don't need to say the 1-year giveaway. I like to include the name of the city or really local area in it. It's very eye-catching if you're in that area and you see the name of your town on a Facebook post or a Facebook ad. So let's have a look at that. Looks good to me. We've got all our copy. And the last thing, you just want to make sure that you've got your website URL, this is where it's going to be sending traffic. When people click on this ad, this is where they're going to be sent. So make sure it gets sent to your landing page. Paste that in there. And you are good to go. So that's it. Hit publish on that and you've officially got an ad under review for a live campaign and it will start sending leads to your client.